So this is the story of the talkative tortoise. Again, I'm starting. Once upon a time, there was a tortoise named Kambugriva and two geese, Sankata and Bikata. Sankata and Bikata was a geese, the plural of goose. The tortoise lived in a pond and he was great friend with the two geese. The geese used to come and visit him every day. Kambugriva loved chatting with them. He was very talkative and would chatter away endlessly with his friends. So, they three are best friends, Kambugriva, Sankata and Bikata. As I told you, Sankata and Bikata was geese, plural of goose. They are birds. They are birds and they live near the river. You can see in the picture. So, what is the nature of the Kambugriva? He was very talkative. He tried to talk all the time. He always talked. Time passed away. The years rolled by. Their friendship grew with every passing year. Then came a year when it did not rain at all. All the rivers, lakes, and ponds started drying up. There there was not a drop of rain at all. All the birds and animals was feeling thirsty and scorching by heat. Many of them decided to migrate to some other land. Kambugriba, Sankata, and Bikata also decided to leave the pond, which was fast drying up. They planned to go to a faraway lake that they had heard that other birds and animals talk about. This lake was supposed to be always full of clear blue water. Children, so one year there was no rain. There was no rain. That's why all the river and ponds, what happened with all the rivers and ponds? It dried away. It dried away, and then all the birds and animals of the forest tried to move other side of the river. They tried to move other side of the river, and for that reason, Kambugriva, Sankata and Bikata was also worried. They also worried how they will survive, how they will eat, drink, because there is no water. So they also decide to go other side of the river. But because the other side of the forest, there was a lake which is full of water. But there was a problem. They decided that we will go, but there was a problem. What is the problem? How would Kambugriva migrate to the lake? He would not able to fly like Sankata and Bikata. They, on the other hand, did not wish to leave their friend behind. They talked and discussed the problem for a long time till suddenly one of geese had an idea. So what is the problem? Because birds can fly. Tortoise can fly? No, na? Tortoise can fly? No, na? Tortoise can't fly. So how he will go to other side of the forest? It is very long. He can't walk. So Sankata and Bikata told that we will go by flying. But how tortoise Kambugriva will go? But they were very furious and unhappy to think about that Kambugriva will stay here and he will die because of drought. Now, one of the geese given an idea. What is the idea? What they given? According to the plan, the tortoise would hold on to a piece of stick by his mouth, and the two geese would slowly fly holding the two ends of the stick with their beak. The only problem with this plan was that Kambugriva had to keep his mouth shut throughout the flight. Otherwise, he would fall and die. So, children, they planned that they will carry one stick. Both of the geese will carry one stick, and Kambugriva will hold the stick and they will fly. So in that way they can go other side of the river. But there was also one problem. There was also one problem. What is the problem? The problem is Kambugriva was talkative. He always talk and chat. He can't sit quietly for a single moment. वो चुप से कभी नहीं बैठ पाता है. तो वो तो बहुत लंबा उड़ के जाने वाला है. They will go very long to this forest to other side. So in between that fly, he should not talk. If he talk, what happened? He will open his mouth and he will fall down. So they tell Kambugriva to not speak a single word, otherwise he will fall down. Okay, let's see it is possible or not. I think it's not possible. The geese were worried about this. They know that their friend, the tortoise, was very talkative, and it was difficult for him to keep his mouth shut. They warned the tortoise of the dangers of trying to talk during the flight. They begged him to remember their warning before starting off. The geese held the end of the stick with their beak, and the tortoise held the stick in the middle with his teeth. They started their journey. They flew higher and higher over hills, valleys, fields and plains. So they begged. उन्होंने उसको बेग किया, प्लीज प्लीज डोंट टॉक. अपने फ्रेंड को, they are very concerned about their friend. And where they go, they started their journey. They go higher and higher from the hills, valleys, fields and the plains. Soon they were flying over a town. The people of the town were surprised. When they are going to the valley and hills and field and plain, there is no people. So nobody is surprised. But when they started flying from the town, what happened? People started seeing them and they will surprised, because it is unusual, na? To see tortoise was hanging with the stick and flying. It is difficult. It is difficult to fly. So people were very surprised. They started laughing and pointing. What people started? They started laughing and pointing, that see the tortoise, see what happened, see the tortoise. They started laughing. So when they started laughing, what happened? This annoyed the tortoise. What happened? The tortoise felt annoyed. He was very restless and don't like opened his mouth to speak. Well, he can't control.
मैम आवाज नहीं आ रही है. मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
He cannot. Don't tell anything. Don't point out me. And what What happened? Whenever he not, one second. When I hear my voice and he fall down. And what happened when he fall down? You can see my face and my presentation also in the right side. You can see me, na? Okay, you can hear me. Everyone, you can hear me. Yes, very good. Few people are not hear me. Please put a earphone like me. Please put earphone like me. So what happened? He was dead. वो नीचे गिर गया एंड क्या हुआ? वो नीचे गिरा तो he died. So children, this is the story. From this story, what we learned, we should have self-control. Self-control means the ability to check our words, temper, feelings, desires, and actions. What we have to do? Through self-control, what we can do? We can control our temper, feeling, desire, and action. Also, self-control prevent us from hurting others and help us avoid troubles. Self-control is very essential for a civilized and disciplined life. You know, children, if China controlled themselves from making so many experiments, you know, from where coronavirus came? From China. Write in chat box, please. Write in chat box. It come from China. What they done? They started experimenting with their animals on what? If they control little bit to experiment, this pandemic not spreaded how they are spreading. Also, we have to control our lifestyle. To eat properly, to live a healthy life. हम सब अगर अपने आप पे थोड़ा थोड़ा सेल्फ कंट्रोल लाएंगे तो बहुत सारी चीजें जो होती है वो नहीं होगी. बरखा पटेल, आर यू हियर मी? प्लीज राइट. Yeah, good. Yes, very good. So this story is all about self-control. See, China ने क्या किया? What China done? They experiment in their lab. You know, आपने बहुत सारे न्यूज़पेपर में देखा होगा और फॉलो किया होगा कि they started experimenting with bats. हाँ, yes, it came from China. Ragini Prajapati, right? It came from China, and why? Because they don't control themselves. Still, they are not accepting that it is coming from China, but it's okay. But they are not supposed to. They are not supposed to control themselves. So what happened? Slowly, it spreaded all over the world. We Indians are very much aware about the things because we have values. हम इंडियन जो है वैल्यूज को मानते हैं, हमारे बड़े हमें वैल्यूज सिखाते हैं और हम उसको अडॉप्ट करते हैं. आप अभी छोटे हो तो आप बड़ों की बात सुनते भी हो, समझते भी हो, मानते भी हो। इतने महीनों से आप घर पे हो, आप पेशेंस के साथ हो, कंट्रोल के साथ हो, क्योंकि सारे लोग बाहर निकल गए, बट बच्चे और जो स्कूल वाले बच्चे स्टूडेंट्स है, दे ऑलवेज स्टे इन होम। तो दिस इज कॉल्ड सेल्फ कंट्रोल, एंड वी हैव टू control ourselves to speak what we speak, what we behave. Everything is under the self control. Now I will ask you few questions. You have to give me answer. Okay? Let me stop my recording first.